Hello, Scottsbluff County. If you haven't heard by now, I'm sure you're hiding under a rock or something. Everyone knows there's a snowstorm coming. Be prepared. Listen later on today to Scottsbluff County Scanner. And we will have Emergency Preparedness Security Advisor on with us talking about what we need to do to be prepared. More on that later. That will be posted to our Facebook page soon. Be sure to follow Scottsbluff County Scanner and Scanner News and more. Thanks again for listening, and may God bless. I'm Brian Hale.